We are observing 2020 as the year of AI. And when we started this program in January, we had planned multiple initiatives, multiple activities for this year. And when this pandemic started in March, with lockdown and other restrictions, some doubts were raised whether we will be able to really carry forward the year of AI. But I'm very happy to share that we were not only able to successfully accomplish all that we had planned, but we could do much more because the pandemic threw up newer challenges, particularly related to healthcare, related to lockdown, and so on and so forth. And we were able to, in a very agile way, demonstrate usages of AI there as well. So the year of AI in this calendar year 2020 has gone off very well. And this was one of the thoughts during our planning stage, that for a common person, AI is still a very elusive kind of a concept. They still associate things, these kind of technologies like AI, as technologies that can only be mastered by people who speak English, who live in cities, who have high degrees, etc. So there's also a need to demystify AI, take it closer to people, take it closer to community. And we had thought about it, that how nice it will be if we are able to do that. And I'm very glad that Hexagon came forward. They have decided to set up this community center. And as we have all seen, this is in two parts. This particular room where we are sitting and talking, this is meant for students. So school students from this catchment, Mehndipatnam, Retibauli, Toli Chowki, they can come and learn AI skills here. But the next room is for non-students, people who are already working or people who are looking for jobs, young people. They can understand the basics of AI. They can do some experiential learning from that center. But the more important point, which I already mentioned, was that because this is a community center, apart from training or skill building within the community, let us also identify community problems and solve them using AI. So the buy-in from the community that AI actually works for them, that will become very strong. And I do hope that many other IT companies, today I can't imagine any IT company in the city or anywhere in India for that matter, which does not use AI. AI has become so all-pervasive that in some ways or the other, companies use it, and obviously they recruit people with lots of AI background. They upskill their own employees with AI skills. So every company today has lots of internal resources and talent on AI, and they can very easily emulate the example of Hexagon by setting up similar centers in rest of the city, rest of the state also.